Today, we're sharing 5 fancy words you can use instead of very to make your speech and writing more refined. Let's get started. Exceedingly. Meaning, to a great extent, extremely. In a sentence, the task was exceedingly difficult, requiring hours of work. Why use it? It adds sophistication and intensity without relying on very. Profoundly. Meaning, deeply or intensely. In a sentence, she was profoundly moved by the heartfelt speech. Why use it? It conveys depth and seriousness in a more elegant way. Tremendously. Meaning, to an extreme degree, immensely. In a sentence, he was tremendously excited about his new job. Why use it? It enhances enthusiasm and strong emotions better than very. Immensely. Meaning, to a great extent, vastly. In a sentence, she was immensely grateful for the support. Why use it? It makes expressions of size, emotion, and impact more vivid. Astoundingly. Meaning, in an amazing or shocking manner. In a sentence, the artwork was astoundingly beautiful. Why use it? It elevates descriptions and adds an element of surprise or awe. Quick tip. Replacing very with more precise words enhances clarity and makes your language more impactful. Did you find this useful? Subscribe for more tips like this. See you.